Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 10th of April 2026. In today's top renewable energy news, South Africa's renewable energy sector showed strong growth and positive impact in 2025. The total capacity allocated under government ministerial determinations reached 36.7 gigawatts. Out of this, nearly 29 gigawatts is considered effective capacity. That demonstrates that a large portion of planned projects are moving toward actual generation. Electricity production from renewable sources also increased during the year. Chile is considering selling state-owned land, typically leased for renewable energy developments, as part of plans to raise up to $300 million to rebuild depleted sovereign wealth funds. The government is preparing to sell around 1,200 state-owned properties, many of them unused or underutilized, in a move aimed at converting illiquid assets into cash. Previous administrations had sought to preserve such land for public uses, including housing and renewable energy projects. Argentina is on the verge of reaching 8 gigawatts of installed renewable capacity in the wholesale electricity market. This excludes hydroelectric plants larger than 50 megawatts. At the same time, the country continues to incorporate standalone storage through the ALMA GBA tender and the ongoing ALMA SADI process. They are transitioning towards more private bilateral contracts and marginal cost-based pricing. Companies across the sector are already adjusting their strategies towards more flexible models, where technology choices respond directly to system needs and customer demand. Since 2024, the National Development and Reform Commission, the National Energy Administration, and the Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Affairs have issued the Wind Control Action Notice. It defines a clear path for wind power to go to the countryside. Since then, Hebei, Anhui, Gansu, and other provinces have successively issued their own policy notices on the work implementation plan. The Wind Control Action Plan has now entered a period of accelerated full implementation nationally. The federal government has released draft legislation, which would give a significant capital gains tax discount to foreign residents disposing of Australian renewable energy assets. These reforms, which were first announced in the 2024 fiscal year budget, address an area of long-standing uncertainty. They confirm that capital gains tax applies to foreign investors selling assets with a close economic connection to Australian land and natural resources. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.